Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can restore an old or distorted photo. What you're going to do is grab the photo that you have right now. I have this photo. It's not upscaled or anything. It's a pretty small photo with a child. The colors are all gone, pretty vintage. So what I'm going to do is try to restore this photo. So we'll grab this, go to imgupscaler.media.io and drop the file there, and our image is uploaded. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the restorer option over here, and we're going to do process. And once you do that, you'll get some options over here. One would be similar to the original photo, and you can see the result here as well. Not too bad, I would say. It's a little more smoother than the original one, but the real magic happens on these options. So if you click on these, see, it colors the photo, make it look like something from the latest times. There's another version of this one. So what you could do is you could download this. You go to the upscaler, click on download. You'll have to log in with your username and password. Once you've done that, you'll come back to the image enhancer. You'll upload this photo again and then go for upscaler, and then select the option that suits best. You can upscale it to 8 times its size, and it's going to give you some great results over there. Thank you for watching this. I hope you learned something new. Please subscribe and like to support this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.